Hello students, we are continuing the chapter set theory. Today we will discuss the third part of the set operation, that is difference of the sets. Difference of the sets. Heading is difference. Difference. What is the symbol used for difference? What is the symbol used for difference? Symbol used for difference. Used for difference is just the minus symbol, or some books are writing just reverse of this slash symbol. This symbol used for difference. Now come to its definition. What is the definition of difference? For any two sets A and B, A difference B equal to X, such that X is present in A and X is not present in B. Means we take set up all those elements which are only present in A but not in B. The present in A but not in B, that is in A difference B. That is in A difference B. Come to example for this. A set is 1, 2, 3, 4. B set is 3, 4, 5, 6. C set is 1, 4, 1, 4, 6, 8. Find first bit A difference B, second bit B difference A, third bit A difference C, fourth bit A difference B difference C, fifth bit A difference bracketed B difference C. These 5 bits we will discuss. A first, come to his first example. First is A difference B. First is A difference B. Means A set contains which elements? 1, 2, 3, 4. Difference, or we can read also minus difference 3, 4, 5, 6. Which elements are present in A but not in B? The only two elements 1 and 2. So A difference B contains the two elements 1 and 2. Similarly, come to B difference A. B set 3, 4, 5, 6. Difference 1, 2, 3, 4. These 3, 4 elements are common. Take it out, and the rest remaining elements are 5 and 6. So B difference A is only two elements 5 and 6. Come to A difference C. A set is 1, 2, 3, 4. Difference 1, 4, 6, 8. Which elements are common here? 1 and 4. Eliminate 1 and 4. The remaining two elements are 2, 3. So A difference C contains 3 elements 2, 3. Next is A difference B difference C. A difference B is what? 1, 2. Difference C. C is what? C is 1, 4, 6, 8. Now look at 1 is the common element. Eliminate. So remaining element is 2 only. So A difference B difference is only element 2. Come to fifth bit. A difference B difference C. A set contain the elements 1, 2, 3, 4. And what about B difference C? Present in B, not in C. B difference C. 4 is common here. B difference C. 6 is common here. 4 and 6 common. So B difference C contain the element 3 and 5. So do you understand? This difference contain 3 and 5. Now 3 element is common out. The remaining element is 1, 2, 4. This is all about the examples of difference of sets. Come to its properties. Come to its properties. Come to its properties. First property, properties. What about A difference A? This is equal to 5. What about A difference A? This is equal to 5. Next is, what about A difference 5? This is A. What about A difference B? It is not same as B difference A. It is non-commutative. Non-commutative. Next is A difference B difference C cannot be equal to A difference B difference C. You can confirm from these two bits, last two bits, that they are not associative, non-associative. Next is A difference B union C is A difference B intersection A difference C, fifth bit, and sixth bit is A difference B intersection C is A difference B union A difference C. A difference C. Seventh bit, A difference B is the subset of A. Next is, when A difference B equal to A, if B intersection A is equal to 5, or B is equal to 5, or B is equals to 5. Next is last bit, A difference B difference C is A difference B union C. A difference bracketed B union C. These are the properties, and there are many properties also, but we are discussing till these properties, right? Come to its Venn diagram. Venn diagram. This is A set, this is B set, it is A set and this is B set. These elements are in A difference B. Right. Similarly, come to one more part for this. This is A, this is B. And this is B difference A. This is B difference A. This is all about the difference of sets, and we will discuss till this today. Thank you all.